Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a brief look, or a full look, at the 2018 Ford Edge in a sport trim and powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for getting around, with excellent fuel efficiency, and with all-wheel drive capabilities. You're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions, and freshly detailed, so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up for you, and looking in, you have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and you do even have some remote buttons here to do it for you, and a 12-volt power outlet. And that does close again with another simple press of a button. And now looking in the back seat, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather and suede interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, and then down here you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet, as well as heated rear seats with 2 levels each, so you can stay comfortable back here. You also have fitted rubber floor mats here at the vehicle. And this car does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, and your mirrors, I believe. So you do have some customization there. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 41,571 kilometers. Moving on to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and then you have the controls for your right info screen here, where you can look at your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls, or status. And on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, or adaptive cruise control, and the controls for your left screen here, where you can look at things such as your RPMs with oil temperature, I believe, tire pressures, digital speedometer, all-wheel drive status, distance to empty. And you can also go into your trip 1 and 2 stats, your fuel economy, driver assist settings such as lane keeping assist, pre-collision warning, I believe also blind spot detection, and then settings for your vehicle and some other features such as My Key. But moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Digital climate controls with dual front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. Very customizable. And your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with front and reverse sensors that will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that, with dynamic hitch view, so you could maybe have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen, you do also have a compartment which opens up to reveal more storage space. Moving down though, here you have your front camera view, so you do have a front and rear camera, so you can get both views. Hopefully helps you at some point. And then you have all of your physical, media, and climate controls here, once again with dual front climate and heated and air-conditioned front seats with 3 levels each. Below that, you have a compartment which opens to reveal 2 USBs and some space for storage, so that's always nice too. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift. You have paddle shifters on the wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then you have your parking brake, your parallel park assist, and your parking sensor shutoff. Not sure why you would, but it is there. And then you have 2 cup holders and your 2-tiered center compartment / armrest here. There's that. And then you have a 12-volt power outlet and plenty of space in there. Do also have a secondary 12-volt just to the side here for your front passenger, as well as having this cubby down here, which is often forgotten, but it is there for more storage. And then last but not least, you do also have a panoramic moonroof, so you can let the sunshine or a nice breeze while you're out for a cruise, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.